What's up, Run 50 States My Way? It's Ashley and Ryan, and we have made a pit stop en route to Arkansas for the Little Rock Marathon. Where else between Nashville and Memphis would you stop? Well, if you are a country music fan, you're gonna stop in Hurricane Mills to see the homestead of Miss Loretta Lynn. That's right, the coal miner's daughter herself. While the Coal Miner's Daughter Museum, I do believe, is closed, we are going to poke around a little bit. We're going to see the replica of her Butcher Holler home, go into the store, and see what we can see. I'm super excited, and as you can tell, I grew up watching Coal Miner's Daughter, so I'm a little bit of a fan. We just left the country store, which we got a ton of information that the Coal Miner's Daughter Museum, I was correct, it is closed for refurbishment. They are still, cleaning up after a big flood that came through here in August. And we just missed the big house tour, which was at 3 o'clock. And because we hit traffic coming down from Nashville, we got here a little bit later than we had wanted to. So they just took the tour away because while the Coal Miner's Daughter Museum is closed, the big house, which I'm gonna show you video of in a second, is doing tours. She doesn't live in the big house anymore, she lives behind it. But Miss Loretta Lynn is 89 years old, still going strong, and we are super excited to be here in Hurricane Mills. So let's first take a peek at the replica of the Butcher Holler home, which was actually the home that was used in the movie Coal Miner's Daughter. This home is an exact replica of Loretta Lynn's home in eastern Kentucky. The original home still stands, and you can tour it if you go to that location. It's maintained by the Webb family, which is her family. Loretta wanted this home built in memory of Loretta's parents, Ted and Clara Webb, and to portray what her early life was like. Many original mementos of her and her family can be seen inside the home. Again, I don't think we can go inside, but it's really cool to just be able to see the outside. So let's take a peek. The woman inside the gift shop was super nice. She totally encouraged us to come back. And for only $30, you can do the whole kit and caboodle tour, the Coal Miner's Daughter tour, as well as the big house. So again, it's a guided tour only, and we did just miss it. So we can't go inside, but it's great to just be able to see it. And to get a better vantage point of the property. So right here is the Doll Museum. Again, it's closed. You can still see over here the water level is really high from it receding. And then this is the grist mill and gift shop, which is closed. Over here is where we just come from, and that's the Loretta Lynn Dude Ranch store. And we'll take another video of the actual mill. And we were also told that there is a coal mine replica on property, and we'll be able to see that as well because that is open and free. So for those of you who have ever listened to the song Coal Miner's Daughter, I love that they have reference right here because she remembers well the well where she drew water. The area that we're currently in is called the Western Town. And again, that's where the Butcher Holler replica house is, but also it's this entire area that is just really cute. Again, the saloon store that we went into is right there in the front. They do have a post office. You can actually mail things from here. Over here, it looks like they're, when they're open for the season, there's a little snack bar. Loretta's Snack Shack. But again, they're closed for the season. So this is where we're gonna go into next. And it is the Loretta Lynn coal mine. So I gotta say, while it's a bummer that we didn't get a chance to do any of the actual tours or see the museum, right now it feels like we have this entire location all to ourselves. And as somebody who is kind of geeking out because I grew up watching the movie Coal Miner's Daughter, this is just really cool to just see it. So we're about to go into the mine. Loretta's Coal Mine number 5, inspired by stories of Loretta's father. This simulated mine is designed to give you the experience of what it would be like to be inside of a real coal mine. The self-guided tour is narrated by Loretta herself. It is loaded with coal mining artifacts and equipment and is truly a one-of-a-kind experience connecting us to the roots of the coal miner's daughter. Cloth mining caps, early 1900s. That wouldn't keep you safe for nothing. Safety lamps, again, that's like just seeing what they used. It's crazy. So here we go. We're going down into the mine. Now I don't know if the narration is actually on, but oh wow. It's really dark in here, y'all, so you're probably not gonna be able to see it, which I guess is part of the process. So yeah, the narration is not on. And while I'm kind of missing it, it'll keep me safe from copyright probably, that it's not on. But at least y'all will get a chance to see what this is like, and you can come to Hurricane Mills yourself and take a peek. Wow. This mill was built by James T. Anderson in 1896. The wool was carted here, grain processing predominated. Cornmeal and flour were shipped throughout the South, restored by Loretta Lynn and Mooney Lynn, with whose permission this marker has been installed by the Anderson family October 1974.
There we go.
While I can't go into the museum because it's closed, I am able to see the outside of the famous tour bus. And what I learned is that this is the bus that was not only used in the movie, but it was also the bus that Sissy Spacek rode with Loretta Lynn for an entire year while they were in the process of prepping and filming the movie. During 1978, Loretta was still touring, doing 2 performances a night. So Sissy Spacek rode along with her so she could learn from Loretta and become the Academy Award winning actress that she was for portraying Miss Loretta Lynn. And even on the gates, you see the coal miner's daughter with the music notes. Loretta Lynn, Hurricane Mills, Tennessee Ranch. And again, this is a working farm. It is a working ranch. And just for us, a cow came out to play. Here we are, Run 50 States My Way, at the famous steps that lead to the arch, through which you can see the big house. What an epic stop along the way on our road trip to Little Rock. Next up is barbecue dinner in Memphis.